of Ros Emely. I'm Ros Emely, and today I'm super excited because I know I haven't posted in about 2 to 3 weeks, but that is because we just recently bought our first home. So this is the house. Well, this is part of the house. This is the balcony or patio or lanai area. So this is a ranch 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom pool home. It is old. It's a 1960s house and it needs a little bit of work, but it's pretty much move-in ready. We're not doing any major renovations. We only did the master bathroom, like the bath. Everything else is gonna have to wait for next year or until we save up to do those renovations. So if you have a house, don't feel pressure to renovate it right away. Just take your time and do what you can with what you have. Now today I'm going to be sharing with you my balcony transformation. I'm going to share with you everything that I got, and we're going to decorate this beautiful balcony area. And stick around, subscribe to this channel if you want decorating videos, organization, easy family recipes. Everything that has to do with the home is in this channel, so I would love for you to subscribe. Now let's get started with this patio transformation. Alrighty, so first things first, we got to clean this patio up. I actually mopped the day before, so right now I'm just gonna broom a little bit because it always gets dirty. The pool is outside, the kids coming in and out, and our dog as well. So the first thing we're gonna do is just clean. I won't make it easy. Now I'm just bringing in the boxes that the patio set comes in and the 2 egg drop chairs or egg chairs. And now we're ready to open it up. As you're gonna see, I am just like stressed the minute that I open this box up, the patio set. It's too many steps, too many things to do. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna start with the egg chairs and I'll leave that for my husband to do. Easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time. I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it. Takes teamwork, guys. My husband is doing the patio set, I'm doing the egg chairs, and it actually took me probably about an hour just to do one of the egg chairs, and we are sweating bullets. We are sweating. I had to take off my shirt, and I'm sweating. The Florida heat is no joke, but we are gonna get this done. I actually finished the egg chairs, both of them, the same day today. So I was so proud of myself because I love this chair. You guys are going to see how beautiful it is. I'm just setting it up. It comes with this, what is this? Cushion. And here it is, my egg drop chair. Okay guys, so this is part 2. Well, this is day 3 of trying to build the Amazon sectional, like patio sectional. Literally, this is the desk. We already did 2 parts. Well, my husband did 2 parts. I already finished the egg chair, so the teardrop chair, so I'm excited about that. But the day that we were building it, we were sweating like crazy. And then I don't like feeling stressed, like don't know what to do, so I had to just stop doing it, clean other things in the house, and just relax. Yesterday I couldn't do it, so now we're back at it, and I'm gonna take this inside because the patio is super hot and we don't have like a ceiling fan or anything like that yet. Hopefully this is the day that I'm gonna share with you my patio transformation. So let's pray and hope that I can get this done. That way I can share with you everything detail by detail. So let's get started. Yay for this table right here. I am done. It took me about, I would say 40 minutes just to get this done, but I got it done. My husband is still working on the patio set right there, and we are done. Now I'm just going to remove the plastic from this patio set. I'm so excited. I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat.
What I'm gonna do is just add some extra pillows. I bought these pillows from Kohl's. The red one came with the patio set, and I bought the other pillows from Kohl's. The orange and the blue. I just love this aqua blue. It just, my vibe for this balcony or patio was Florida vibe, Caribbean. It's always colorful, bright. It just makes you feel good and festive, and I wanted that feeling in my patio. The yellow pillows, I got it from Kohl's as well. And basically my patio is done, ready for the reveal.
You're my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space.
I'm gonna start with this beautiful painting that my aunt, that did. She actually gave us this painting and I love it. I feel like it goes perfect with the patio. These plants are from Home Depot. I love it. And I don't even know the name of this, but I got this from Home Goods. I feel like it just adds nice neutral vibe because it's so much bright colors. I need something to tone it down. Of course, the fresh plants are from Home Depot as well. And this painting is from my aunt as well. I'm so happy she gave us these paintings. And this is how my patio looks so far. Of course, I need to add a ceiling fan. But again, you know, at its time. This is my patio set. I love the color. Got this rug from Amazon. As an overview, the egg chairs are from Amazon as well, and the pillows are from Kohl's. I'm gonna leave everything down below, the links, that way you guys can buy it if you guys are interested in it. And now there's my beautiful dog, Roxer. A different view so you guys can see. And of course, my kids love this set. They're here to relax, read their books, and just spend some quality time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, give it a like, and I'll see you in my next video.
You're my best friend.